Let's talk about the big story this morning, which is RBI. RBI's six-member Monetary Policy Committee will announce the outcome today. Experts believe that a 25 basis point cut seems most likely as the central bank looks to further support credit growth and economic momentum. If approved, it will be the third straight rate cut by the RBI. Vishwanath, Nair joining us live from RBI on Mint Street this morning. Vishy, what's the mood looking like?
Right, Damana. So I'm actually standing with a different background today. This is the rupee symbol that the RBI had launched, had inaugurated a few months ago. But interestingly, that new, fresh background is probably what is happening up there as well. The broader discussion points are happening in a completely different economic scenario than what was happening in the last monetary policy and the one before that also, the one in April and then the one in February as well. Remember that broadly the liquidity scenario seems to have improved significantly. You're sitting at a surplus of about 1.6 lakh crore. About 0.7, 0.8%. Yesterday, briefly, it went up to 1% excess liquidity in the system. And alongside that, you've got the Q4 GDP reading at about 7.4%, which broke all expectations and went ahead with a strong economic growth momentum, at least for FY25. Now, FY26 is a different story. The broad uncertainties that the RBI governor spoke about in the last policy seems to have changed. Currently, the things don't look as uncertain as they were maybe even 2 months ago. So therefore, there is going to be that playing on the MPC's mind as well. Having said that, inflation is currently way below the 4% target, close to about 3.2%. So obviously, that is going to aid any discussions around a rate cut conversation. 25 basis points seems to be given. 50, as you said earlier, SBI research seems to suggest, SK Ghosh believes that that's a better signaling tool for the RBI to the market than a 25 basis point rate cut, which is sort of a regimented number now. So will he deliver that bumper jumbo rate cut and surprise the market? Something that's interesting. I also heard you guys talking about foreign investors in the equity markets. That's actually a topic of discussion at the RBI as well. Basically, there's going to be some amount of conversation about news reports coming out that the RBI is becoming more comfortable allowing foreign investors to come and own Indian banks. So that we will see whether the RBI governor makes any comments about it or not. My bet is that he won't actually specify what he's going to say. But of course, we'll watch out for the 10 a.m. statement and then the 12 p.m. press conference.
Yeah. Vishy, if you can just pan the camera, I want to actually see that new installation which is behind you. It's looking very interesting, and what RBI has.
Okay, let me show it to you.
Yeah, it would be nice to see it. If you can just pull out and look at that big rupee sign.
Interestingly, this is just one. This is just one. There's another one which is the tiger in the RBI logo. So they have another one there, just a few steps away, and that would also be an interesting monument. I mean, so one of the thought processes, what I heard from insiders is that this is a good selfie point for a lot of people, because otherwise it's only the RBI tower. So the symbol, the rupee symbol, and the tiger just a few steps away makes for an interesting sort of Instagram post, I guess.
Wow, fantastic!
Vishy, are you taking the selfie?
No, I'm dead against putting my face on Instagram. People don't want to see that. So.
Okay.
For a public figure.
I know. I think people are seeing enough of you, Vishy. Don't be shy. All right. So the new spot for selfie spot on Mint Street
I love
in
my
South
RBI.
Mumbai. It's a good idea. It's a great idea to get